of number of votes cast, 1,058. We have 345 online and 713 on-site. For the position of President, the winner, Duterte Sebastian C. For Executive Vice President, the winner gathered 731 votes, Bundok James Patrick. Vice President for NCR, the winner garnered 737 votes, Belmonte Penelope. Vice President for Luzon, the winner garnered 588 votes, Villarreal Joseph Edward. Vice President for Visayas, garnered 666 votes, Rama Michael. Vice President for International Affairs, no other than Lambino Raul, 1,058 votes. Secretary General, Abisado Wendel. Treasurer, Torrefranca Neri Ivy. Auditor, Go Christopher Lawrence. For our committees, Membership Committee Chairperson garnered 528 votes, Pimentel Naik Astrebel. Education Committee garnered 544 votes, Belmonte Penelope. Finance Committee garnered 429 votes, Malaba Joylyn Mercedes. Legal Committee garnered 757 votes, Contacto Ibet. Arbitration Committee, Mr. Liam Romel. Public Information garnered 707 votes, Del Monte Penelope. Livelihood Committee garnered 395 votes, Ikalit Rengela. Youth Committee garnered 565 votes, Contacto Andrea Monique. Gender and Development Committee garnered 540 votes, Bilio Griselda. Social Services Committee garnered 469 votes, Marigondon J.V. Fresh. Migrant Workers Committee garnered 599 votes, Soto Gemma. Senior Citizen Committee garnered 439 votes, Ihano Franklin. And last committee, Indigenous People Committee garnered 592 votes. The winner is Yes is RB. For the information of everybody, there is one person that has won in 3 different positions. Kung napansin niyo kanina, 3 beses lumabas yung pangalan niya na panalo. May we call in Ma'am Penelope Belmonte for your decision.
Bago po ang lahat, salamat po sa Diyos na talagang pinakamarunong sa lahat. Salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga kapartido at sa lahat po ng National Council officers na patuloy na nagtiwala po sa kakayahan ng inyong lingkod. Ngunit, hindi po natin pwedeng angkinin ang 3 posisyon. Huwag po kayong magagalit sa akin sapagkat sa pagkakataon po ngayon, kailangan po nating magdesisyon upang hindi mapilay ang ating pong partido, lalo pa sa usaping edukasyon. Sa ganang akin, ang aking pong pipiliin upang mabuo po ang National Vice President position ay ang pagiging Vice Presidente po ng NCR. Ngunit, tayo po ay magtatalaga sa pag-aproba po ng mga nakatataas ng mga mapipili at may tatalaga na mamumunot mangunguna sa Education Committee at sa Public Information Committee. Sapagkat isa po yan sa pinaka-importanting committee na dapat nating tutukan ng pansin at upang hindi masayang ang atin pong pinasimulan na tunay na pagbabago na may tapang at malasakit. Yan po ang tinura ng ating chairman, ang pinakamamahal nating chairman, PRRD! Kaya mga kasama, respetuhin po at galangin din natin ang naging desisyon po ng inyong lingkod. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala. Mahal ko po kayong lahat. Magandang hapon.
Okay, Mr. Election Chairman.
Mr. Chair, these are the winners of our 2026 PDP Laban national elections.
Laban ng mga Duterte, laban ng masang Pilipino, sigaw ng puso ng tao sa buong mundo. Kapag inapi, lalong tumitibay, pag-asa ng bayan kailan may di mamamatay. Maraming batikos at maraming hadlang, pero suporta'y lalo lang lumalakas. Sa bawat magsasaka't manggagawa, pangalan nila'y dala-dala sa tuwa.
Ayaw nila umupo.
Okay, let's give a big hand to our winners, please. Napakahina naman. Sama-sama si Gabo, palakpakan muna. Okay, we will now proceed with the oath taking of our new set. Can you please raise your right hand and state your name, state your position? Repeat after me. I, having been elected of the Partido Demokratiko Pilipino Lakas ng Bayan, who solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and of the party, give faith in and put into practice the 5 basic principles of PDP, the basic objective of federalism. Perform my duties to the best of my abilities and capabilities, without fear or favor, with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the party and advancing the interests of the community to which it is dedicated, and to conduct myself in a manner befitting a good and true PDP, so as to bring honor and respect to the party. And I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So may God help us all. Congratulations! That's
Kahit ilang unos ang dumating, di basta susuko ang damdamin. Ang masa'y gigising at titindig, kasama sa laban hanggang huli't higit. Laban ng mga Duterte, laban ng masang Pilipino, sigaw ng puso ng tao sa buong mundo. Kapag inapi, lalong tumitibay, pag-asa ng bayan kailan may di mamamatay. Maraming batikos at maraming hadlang, pero suporta'y lalo lang lumalakas. Sa bawat magsasaka't manggagawa, pangalan nila'y dala-dala sa tuwa. At kung pilitin mang patahimikin ang tinig ng masa'y di kayang pigilin, bawat sugat ay magiging lakas, bawat luha'y magiging bukas.
To be assisted by former Secretary Al Cusi, former Secretary Attorney Wendell Avisado, Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo, Senator Robin Padilla, Attorney Jimmy Bondo, and Philip Salvador to present the awards. Let us call on the first awardee, Dr. Jose Lito Tumata, Southern Leyte for Inday Sara Duterte, Solo. Doctora Grace Yong. Doctora Grace Yong Tumata, Southern Leyte for Inday Sara Duterte, Solo. Marcelino Escalada Jr., former General Manager, National Housing Authority, overall Deputy Campaign Manager, Duterte Campaign Team 2025. Congratulations! Thank you very much. Francisco Balas Jr., former National Director of National Printing Office and Logistics Head of the Duterte Campaign Team 2025. Congratulations. The next awardee, Attorney Martin Delgado III, former Chairman, Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board and Head of Legal Team of the Duterte Campaign Team 2025. Congratulations. For our next awardee, Dr. Paul Rashid Uy, Sara Duterte Alliance Zamboanga City Team Bato Coordinator, Internal Medicine Consultant CEO of Prime Medical Laboratory Ciudad de Zamboanga. Congratulations. For our next awardee, Ramon Lopez, former Secretary, Department of Trade and Industry, represented by Mr. Napoleon Concepcion. Congratulations. For our next awardee, Jerry Salida, Business Owner, represented by Mr. Hansel Monumor. Congratulations. Calling on our next awardee, Miss Cindy Cruz, Educator, Businesswoman, Advocate, represented by J.D. Yupanco. Congratulations. Our next awardee is Miss Karen Tomas Monasterio, represented by MJS Guerra. Congratulations. Calling on our next awardee, Mr. Marlon Rosella, TV reporter. Represented by MJ Montero. Congratulations. Our next awardee, Attorney Salvador Benaldea, former Executive Secretary, represented by Mr. Joseph Encabo. Congratulations. For our next awardee, the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, represented by Dr. Lenita Lozada, Chief Executive Officer of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Congratulations.
Hindi nga ma-disip ko yung mga bubo na siwan. Yan ang matugay, oh.
Our next awardee, Sunshine Media Network International, SMNI. Dr. Eleanor Cardona, Executive Secretary of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ.
Kami mga tubig o tama airpan rom yang alala. Yan, yung kami. Kasi ako
Congratulations. Our next awardee, Harbor View Restaurant, represented by Ms. Penny Belmonte. Congratulations. Our next awardee, Marsway Marketing Incorporated, represented by Maritas Tan. Attorney Danilo Rubiato, former General Manager, CEO, Philippine Reclamation Authority, and Head of the Advance Party of the Duterte Campaign Team 2025, represented by Attorney Delta.
Pasok ng mga
Once again, congratulations to all our awardees. Let us give each of them a well-deserved round of applause for their dedication and invaluable service to PDP. Salamat sa pagsuporta kahit mahirap ang panahon. Salamat sa oras, sa tiwala, at sa dedikasyon ninyo, may titulong man o wala.
Every man ako, ang natutunan na siya na ang grupo